Okay, so gentlemen, welcome to this weekly meeting that I regularly call. Okay, so we will have our roll call. Manufacturing and Engineering Department.
Present.
Technical Support Department. Technical Support Department.
Present.
Sorry, late. Sales and Marketing Department.
Present.
Purchasing Department. Present. Production Department.
Present.
Okay, so Mr. Secretary, mark that this meeting has reached the quorum. So this meeting will be pushed to order. COO, please enumerate our objectives of this meeting.
So this meeting has the following objectives. One was discuss the overview of the meeting of the new product that will be released next month. Then to propose a marketing strategy for our product to compete with its competitors in the market. Then to discuss the materials required for the production of the product. Then to discuss also the production cost of the product when it is launched in the market. Then the technical specifications of it.
Okay, now we're done with the objectives. Now we will go to our Manufacturing and Engineering Department head, Nakalabaw H. So Manufacturing and Engineering Department.
Thank you, Mr. Lano. Again, thank you, gentlemen, for attending this meeting. Now, to Africa Computing Incorporated, it's steadily rising up the global market. And next month, we will be endorsing our new laptops. It will be containing state-of-the-art technology, technically the best technology money can find. Its features may contain being lightweight, faster, the processing speed faster, and its firewall stronger.
We will go for the Manufacturing and Engineering Department.
Now, I move that the discussion of the materials required for the product be
So, how about the Sales and Marketing Department?
I have estimated that we have 80 to 90 million budget coming from our previous product. Our product, since today is decreasing that's why it's the right time to release another product.
Okay, please hear that.
So, I move that the production costs of the product be discussed.
How about the Purchasing Department?
I will be ordering 256 bit video cards, 800 GB RAM, Intel Core i7 processors, DDR5 motherboard, and 1 TB internal hardware. With the use of this material, the performance of our gadgets will increase. These are also the specs of the gadgets that people like to bring. That's it.
Okay, so next.
So, I move that the cost and pricing of the new product be discussed.
So, what about our production? What about it?
Since our product is made of top-notch materials and has a high price, so one unit costs about 150,000 pesos. Since the production is too high, I propose that one unit is sold at 200,000 pesos.
Okay, so I believe that your proposed production cost is quite low. Can meet our sales and marketing. Okay, so we will move on now to our Technical Support Department for some queries regarding some issues about our product.
Okay, good afternoon. So, there's no issue. I think this operation will go smoothly. I just want to question our manufacturing engineer. So, Mr. Ibrahim, I'm just going to question you a few questions. So, what will be the difference of other laptops that are selling today
state-of-the-art technology one can buy. It beats any other laptop a mile by a mile. Now, as for your second question, what makes it top? Like I said before, the technology we get are the best technology we can get with our money, which would be best.
Second question. Is this laptop for gaming, office only? Is it home-based or is it flexible all around?
Well, we would like to try to make a series for each personal usage. For example, we can make one series for gaming, workplace, and one just for overall, just for everything.
That might be also CEO.
Okay, so any other issues about our product that is outside our objectives? Yes, Mr. Sales and Marketing.
How will our product compete with products of our own?
Good question. So, what are other issues?
How about
Yes, sir, purchasing department.
how about the advertising of the product in the actual advertising process?
Good question also. So, any other question? Okay, so there are no other questions for this meeting? Okay. So those issues asked by Mr. Sales and Marketing Head Department and Mr. Purchasing Department Head will be tackled for next week's meeting. So we will have a voting. Are those satisfied with this proposal, with this product? Raise your hand. Okay. So I think this meeting has met its objectives for today.
Yes, Mr. CEO.
Okay, so I will call this meeting for an adjournment. I think you have some commitments to attend after this meeting, so yes. I close this meeting.
Okay, you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I'm Omar. And you're? Oh, I am the manufacturing engineer.
My name is Jose Ariel Almendra and I'm the technical support manager.
I'm Mark Crescentalit, and I'm the head of sales and marketing part.
I'm Alison Kaliwan and I'm the purchasing department head.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm Mark J. Rugoso and I'm production cost.
I'm Elian Joseph Arado and I'm the secretary. I'm Leopoldo Nicolo and I'm the chief operating officer.
Go.